The Tomo credit card is a unique financial tool that operates differently from traditional credit cards, which are often based on an individual's credit score. Instead, the Tomo credit card offers a solution to the common pitfalls associated with everyday credit cards, allowing individuals to apply without a prior credit score. This card is a charge card that features a 7-day automatic payment system, designed to help keep credit utilization low. It can be used both online and offline with millions of merchants across over 100 countries where MasterCard is accepted. To sign up for the Tomo credit card, all that is required is a social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, along with a government-issued ID, making it accessible to those outside of the USA. The key features of this card include no credit check, instant approval, and credit limits that prevent overspending. Additionally, it offers a pay later option, allowing users to make purchases and pay for them at a later time. The Tomo credit card also provides cashback rewards ranging from 1% to 2%. And there are no fees associated with making purchases. Overall, the Tomo credit card presents an innovative approach to credit card usage, prioritizing financial responsibility and flexibility.